So now, going back to biomedics, tell us more about, I'm very well aware of what biomedics does, but for the audience, tell us what Biomedics Institute is and what it does.
Yes. So let's maybe go back to what we discussed earlier, how startups are generated normally, right? So crazy guy like myself at the time in academia has an idea, builds something around it, and then looks for a problem in the real world to solve with his solution, right? And that's the main reason why these biotechs fail. So my idea was, why don't we turn this process upside down? Why don't we talk first with what I would call the customer of a biotech startup, which is big pharma? They're usually the ones who acquire those companies. Ask them what they really, really want and what they're willing to pay for it if it would exist. And then ask the world's best scientists to come up with ideas how to solve this particular problem. So it's it's sort of a built-in product market fit from the beginning.
Wow.
And also do it in a way where you get the best of the best and move them in one spot. So the way how we do this is, once we have identified one of these really big research problems with our pharma partners, we call them challenges. We publish those challenges on our crowdsourcing platform worldwide at the best universities and research institutions, and invite early career academic scientists to apply by submitting a very original project proposal, how to solve this particular problem. And usually we get between 200, 300, 400 proposals from 60, 70, 80 countries, really truly global. And then together with our pharma partner, we pick the 15 brightest ones and fly them in for a 5-day bootcamp. For example, we had one last week in Heidelberg. So we have all these super bright minds coming from all around the world. They see each other for the first time on the first day, and then we help them to associate in 5 competing groups, and then to convert this collection of academic ideas into something we would call a truly brilliant project proposal. So not just a very elegant experimental approach, but also a very solid implementation strategy with deliverables, with milestones, so the things you usually don't learn at university. And on the last day, they present in front of a jury, which includes the senior management of the sponsoring pharma company. Last week, there was Merck. Mm-hmm. And if we agree on a winner, this winner then is relocated with their families to Heidelberg. We organize visa, jobs for their spouses, kindergarten, sports, new homes, schools, whatever they need. And then they live and work for up to 5 years in our institute on the campus of the university. And they get very intense mentorship from mentors from the sponsoring pharma company, but also from academic mentors, so that over time they build something which hopefully at the end of the project will be a starting point for a new drug discovery program that will ultimately help patients. So that's the model.
Wow.